Get wet as well. Absolutely outrageous. Everyone's got the masks on, but we haven't got a mask. Right, even. Costco has actually got there. Don't actually see anything, can you? Yeah. I'd say it's getting wet. It's absolutely outrageous.
That's all right. No matter what he said, just have it.
Leaving Costco, got everything, the burgers, we bought all the shop and everything. Leaving Zombieland, bloody marvelous. So, we can get out, they're blocking us in now, they're not letting us leave. Come to Costco, you'll never leave. Bye.